Today we're going to look at how you would use our new SQL Server Management Studio plugin for Project Lucy to upload a trace file in order to tune some application SQL. The application that we're going to be tuning is actually an in-development version of our own Quest's, I suppose, Spotlight on SQL Server product, and so let's get into it. The easiest way to actually find the SQL Server Management Studio plugin is to click on the banner ad at the top of the page, or find the link in the footer to a SQL Server Management Studio plugin, which I'm just going to click, and it will take you to a page which explains what the plugin actually is, how to install it and start using it. But we won't go through that now. I'll actually just show you. So let's go ahead and download the plugin and install it. And there we've downloaded it, and now we're going to install it. It's very, very simple install there, and we're done. So let's open SQL Server Management Studio and have a look. So I actually have Spotlight on SQL Server installed on my laptop here in the lab, and this is the server name. It's actually a different machine to where I'm recording this video. So let me go ahead and connect to it. And what I want to do in order to have a look at what SQL that Spotlight is actually running against the server, I'm actually going to perform a trace, and the easiest way to do that is to use the Project Lucy plugin. So you can see if I right click on the server name there, and we have a menu item here called Project Lucy. And I'm just going to take a small sample of data, say 2 minutes, and we're not going to set the size limit because it's only 2 minutes worth of data, and we're going to click the Start Tracing button. Now I'm not going to make you sit here for 2 minutes, so thanks to the magic of video, let's fast forward to nearly the end. And we're nearly at the end, and we are done. So the next step is that I want to upload that trace file to Project Lucy so it can analyze it. So if I click the link, it'll open projectlucy.com in a web browser. I'm going to sign in. And then I'm going to go and find my file, which is this one here, and I'm going to upload it. And the upload's finished, so Project Lucy is going to start processing it. So we're looking for feedback on the plugin. So if you download it and try it, please let us know what you think. Let us know what we can improve. Let us know if you think we've done something not quite right. We do plan to improve it over time. Here's one we prepared earlier. You can see here that the first thing we see is a histogram of workload. And this is a breakdown in bands of durations. And we can see here that there is some workload that is executing at or under 200 milliseconds. But there's a large proportion of the workload, in fact over 60%, that's taking longer than a second to execute. So let's drill down and have a look at that and see if we can find that. And the easiest way to identify that is to have a look at average duration. So we're going to sort by that column, and we can see here there's a statement here that's taking over 1.5 seconds to run. So this would be an obvious candidate for tuning. So there you have it. There's a quick whirlwind tour of how you use the Project Lucy SQL Server Management Studio plugin to do a trace file, upload it easily to Project Lucy, and get answers to your workload questions. Thanks for listening.